Okay, so today is going to be a little bit of practice on using compasses. This one is the compass if you can't remember which one it is. If you don't have a compass, you can use a pencil with a bit of string tied around it instead. What I've done here is I've tied a little bit of a knot and a loop on the end of my string and then fed it back through, so I've now got a bit that I can pull tight. That means I can take it on and off my pencil a bit more easily. You're going to need to keep it right down as far as you can towards the lead. You're also going to need a ruler and some paper or your maths book. So basically we are reminding you how to use a compass because lots of people do forget. And the biggest thing is where to hold it. If you hold it at the top here and you push down, quite often if your compass isn't very tight, it's just going to open up as you draw and it's not going to be very accurate. So it's better either to hold it at the top and to lean down on the point and just touch very gently with the end, and you can do several goes to get the line up, or you can hold it down at the point down here and do the same thing, and now it's a bit easier. So this is probably the better method, but you can do it the other way if you want. If you're using the string method, you hold the string down where you want the center of the circle to be, and you hold the string down where you want the center of the circle to be, and then you're going to have to fiddle a little bit more. It's going to be a bit more complicated. And then you move the pencil by holding the pencil like you would normally, and it's not going to be able to move because you're holding it. So the biggest thing that we're practicing today is having a circle with a particular radius. And then if we know what the radius is, we could work out the diameter as well because it's double the radius. And we're just going to be practicing drawing circles all lesson. So as soon as you feel like you're happy, you can stop, but we can also do some colouring in, which will be fun. So this one is going to have a 2 centimetre radius. So I'm putting the point on the 0 and the point of the pencil on 0 and the point of the compass on 2. And I'm going to draw a nice circle. I'm going to choose where my centre is in advance and mark it in this case, so I don't have to go and try and find the little gap later. And then I'm doing it by holding the base, and actually moving the paper is a little bit easier than going all the way around. And now I have a beautiful 2 centimetre radius circle, which means that the diameter is going to be 4 centimetres. And now the fun bit, I'm going to also do a 1.5 centimetre radius and do it in the same place. Oh, as you can see, it's opened out, so it's not a very exact circle, so this is why we're practicing, getting used to your own compass. And now I've got 2 concentric circles, so that means they're inside each other. And basically, have some fun, practice drawing some circles. Once you've drawn them, you can colour them in. So if you have a coloured pen, yeah, just have some fun, make some patterns. Make a nice little donut. Enjoy!